Hey guys, Like here. I want to do a quick review of this ultimate survival bracelet with the Type 3 mil C5040H official military paracord, the top quality paracord you can get. This is a build from HikePro LLC. You can check them out on HikePro.com, HikePro.net, or on eBay, HikePro. Very solid bracelet. Loaded with a bunch of gear. Right off the top, you can see it has a compass. This is a US made top quality liquid fill compass. This will guide you in the right direction. This bracelet right here has the stainless steel shackle, which is adjustable, 3 stages. So if you want it looser, that's great. P51 can opener. This one is painted black, but you can leave it steel color if you prefer that, or request to have it painted any specific color. You have a Ranger band here that has a water purification tablet hidden as per request of the customer, and Kevlar cord. This is a 200-pound Kevlar cord. It's wax filled as well. That stuff will not burn. It's tough. You get in 4 feet of it, so you can cut through zip ties if you're in a tough situation. This will cut through any plastic. You can cut a wooden branch in seconds with this. Tough stuff, very useful. Inside you have hidden a bunch of stuff as well. You have a suture kit that's already sealed up. It's the wire and the needle to suture yourself if the emergency strikes. Inside that, you're gonna find this stainless steel blade with a little handle. It has tape on it to prevent cutting anything, but these are stored together and hidden, braided right under the can opener under here. So that's that. You have a fire steel. This is US made from firesteel.com, top quality fire steel. That's embedded also in the bracelet, or you can request to have it, under the Ranger band. The Aquamarina water purification tablet, great thing to have. So this is quick access right in here. Couple of fishing hooks, obvious reasons what that's for. 20 feet of 15-pound fishing line. That's more than enough. Don't forget, you can also use your paracord if you need more to tie it to it for additional fishing line. Some twine for fire starting. This will help you start a bunch of fires. 10 feet of USGI snare wire. So, this has been tested over time. This is great snare wire. Obviously, the Ranger band. You can also light this up to start a fire. And this option came with the stainless steel shackle. You can also request to get it with a handcuff key buckle, for example. You can request to have a handcuff key hidden under the Ranger bed for quick access. You can get this buckle that has a fire steel, a blade, a compass, and a whistle in it as an extra set of tools. I'm gonna list a link below where you can pick this up, this specific build, another build, or request a custom one. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, one quick tip. The way you get in the real deal paracord, it will be one different color strand in here, and it will break up into 3. The US commercial paracord only breaks up into 2 inner strands, and it doesn't have the different colors, all one color. And this is just tougher and thicker. It's just top quality paracord. So there's about 12 feet in the bracelet of it. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this is helpful. I hope you like this review, and pick one up if you like. I love it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I have a lot of how-to videos and more reviews. So yeah, thanks.